Already, guys, look at this. Look at this. I'm so obsessed.
Why are you so obsessed with
I am. Oh, there it is. Look how that thing turned around on me.
It did a 360.
It sure did.
That's crazy.
So I just love this camera already, guys. Look at this. Look at you guys. It is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. And today this is gonna be an unboxing video, guys. Okay, yes, we love unboxings. Okay, but before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. Join me, Tiffany, and the family, okay? Yes, y'all. So make sure you guys are following me at DIVA TEE, okay? Make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms, on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Lemonade, all at DIVA TEE at Diva TT, wherever social media is social media. Okay, so yes, we're gonna be unboxing my new toy. I love it. Okay, this is a godsend for creators. Okay, so if you are a content creator, influencer, and you need something really nice with a great quality to use to film, of course you can start off with your phone, but once you upgrade, because we do upgrade, you know, as you know better, you do better, you know, or you get more money, you can always upgrade. And we're gonna be using this is the Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. So I want y'all to see that. Okay, yes, this is what we're gonna be unboxing today. Yes, and I just love it. Okay, so on the back of it, it tells you everything that's in the box. So you have the Osmo Pocket 3. It's a protector cover, the Digi Mic 2 transmitter. It's a handle with 1/4 thread. Okay. Battery handle, mini tripod, Type-C PD cable. Okay. Carrying bag, the Digi Mic 2 clip magnet, the Digi Mic 2 windscreen, wind angle lens, and a Digi wrist strap. Okay, so this is the back of it, and it tells you everything that comes in the box. Okay, the Digi Osmo Pocket 3 has 2 rotatable screens with orientation control, 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization, okay, active track 6.0, full pixel fast focusing, which we need that, okay, the D-Log M and 10 bits, okay, stereo recording, pocket sized, which is great. Okay, so I can just put this in my pocket. I'm so excited, and I wanted to do this video before I open this so I could share it with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna take the plastic off. I'm gonna come back, guys. Took the plastic off, so I'm just opening the box for the first time. This is my first impression. I also have my own memory card. So yes, 128 gigabytes, speeds up to 200. So yes, you guys can just get this at Best Buy or Target or wherever they sell memory cards. So yes, I have my own memory card because I don't think a memory card comes with this, so we bought one. Well, actually I got this as a Christmas gift, so we were able to get it. So I think this is the case. Okay, so let me just open it. No, this is the everything. Okay, so this is how it looks when you first get it. The Digi, it's, what is this? It's like a pouch. Oh, it's a zipper. It has a zipper, so we're just gonna open it up. And here it is. Here it is. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay. So you have this. This comes in there. I mean, it has everything that's on the box. I really don't know how to use all of this stuff yet, so they got that. So this is gonna be my new gadget for trying stuff. I don't know what these pieces are. Let me unbox. Like, it's literally brand new. I never used it, so I don't know. But I gotta start taking this stuff out the little packages. Okay, put the paper. So here it looks like the tripod. This looks like the tripod because I see legs. So that's a tripod, and it has a screw on there, so whatever that is. This looks like some type of charger or some type of adapter. I'm not sure. Okay. And then I'm gonna put that back in there. And this looks like the little boom. So it comes with a boom. That's how you're able to hear the sound. So that's a little boom. And then like a little wristlet thing. I said wristlet thing, but I mean it's the holder. It has a charger. It has a charger here. I'm trying to show y'all everything that comes in the pack. Oh yeah, this, look at the stand. It's opening right now. So that's on this tripod that you can sit it on. And then it has, so it's like 5 or 6 pieces inside of the little pack. And then this one. And then I'm gonna put all this together and show you guys how it looks right quick. And then I have no idea what this is, but I'm sure it's something important, another adapter. I don't know what it all is, but I mean, it's gonna do that. It's gonna bring that quality, that great quality. Okay, so I think that's all that comes in this pouch once you get your Digi Creator Combo Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, so I unboxed everything with you guys, kind of showed you. I'm gonna lay all the pieces out on the bed so you can see it. Something is in here, I don't even know. So this is, like I said, my first impression, my first time opening it. So let's see, I'm sliding this out. What is this? Maybe this is a part of the tripod. So it just comes in this box. The box is empty. And let me open it right quick. This is a protective cover for your Osmo. So this is very important. Okay, so when you're done using it, it looks like you could just put this over the Osmo so that it doesn't get scratched up or damaged. So yeah. Okay, I'm about to show you guys all the pieces and then put it together. Hey y'all, so I figured out what this is. This little piece right here, it has a boom on it, and this is like a microphone, and it has a clip so you can clip it to your shirt. So I can clip it to my shirt. And then this is just so awesome. I put the stand on the bottom. It's like a little tripod, so when you sitting it on surfaces, it can just stand like so. I balanced it. Okay, I'm nuts. Okay, so anyway, this thing reminds me of something off Star Wars. Like, what is them little things? Them little robots?
R2-D2?
Yeah, R2-D2. I don't know why it's giving R2-D2. Okay, so when you turn the camera, that's when it flips on.
I said Transformers.
Yeah. And look it. It follows you.
It do.
Wherever you go. And then I have to figure out how to flip the front. Oh, there it is. Look how that thing turned around on me.
It did a 360.
It sure did.
That's crazy.
So I just love this camera already, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so obsessed.
Why are you so obsessed with
I am. I love this camera. I want y'all to go get y'all one. I'm not the best at like doing these kind of reviews, but already I'm obsessed and the quality is amazing.
It is.
So yes, and then when you flip the screen, it goes off. It gives you 1 minute, and look at that how it swivels around, and then the cover. I can put the cover on there, and I love it. And I've added this part right here. I think it's like a battery, and then it has a USB cord right here. So y'all, get y'all. If you are a creator, y'all need this in your life. Once you want to upgrade and get your better quality cracking. Okay, so this was just a brief, just like unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3 Digi. Okay, so this is my new toy, and I'm gonna be taking it everywhere with me. And yes, guys, get into it. Okay, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like more content like this, just hit the notification bell. You know, let me know, Tiffany, I like that. And I will definitely be bringing different electronics and just everything. You know, I always try to give a variety on my channel, okay? I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Look at the room. Hi, Lori.
Hey. Hey, everybody. Cool.
Ah, it's so cool. It follows me. Look at Lori filming me on my other camera.
Wow, the footage, the clarity is awesome.
It is.
Really
oh my
good.
God.
Really excellent quality. That's everything. She done put that thing together real fast, y'all. Wow.
Okay, so how do I turn? Oh, when I do that, it turns on. Okay.
She's even got a little microphone. Look at her little microphone, y'all.
I know. I gotta tell them.
It's on.
Oh, hi. That thing is everything.
Okay. It's nice.
I gotta protect this thing.
Girl, that part. Oh, that's how to protect. So that's the protective casing.
It is.
Okay, okay. It's cool. All put together. It's like a transformer. You're just more than meets the eyes.
And this is the correct way to do it.
And it's touchscreen?
Yeah. And that little camera follows you.
Look at the little boom on her, you guys. That's the little microphone.
Oh.
Isn't it cute?
Okay.
Okay. All right, we'll be back.
Are you filming the paper?
Yeah, I'm filming pieces.
My first video on my Osmo. Look at the room. Hi, Lori.
Hey. Hey, everybody. Cool.
Ah, it's so cool. It follows me. Look at Lori filming me on my other camera.
Oh, wow. The footage, the clarity is awesome.
It is.
Really
oh my
good.
God.
Really excellent quality.
I just love this camera already, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so obsessed.
Why are you so obsessed?
I am. I love this camera. I want y'all to go get y'all one. I'm not the best at like doing these kind of reviews. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.